Ever wondered how to maintain your RV for all seasons? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're journeying into the world of RV maintenance, a crucial aspect of owning a recreational vehicle. We'll be revealing a comprehensive step-by-step guide to keep your beloved RV in pristine condition in spring, summer, fall, and winter. So don't let the weather wear down your wanderlust. Stay tuned to learn the secrets of keeping your RV in top shape, no matter the weather. Spring is the perfect time to get your RV ready for the road. As the frost melts away, it's essential to check your RV for any winter damage. Look for signs of wear and tear, and don't forget to inspect the roof for any leaks. Once you've assessed the exterior, it's time to turn your attention inside. Give your RV a thorough cleaning, starting from the ceiling and working your way down. Dust off the cobwebs, scrub the floors, and make sure everything is spick and span. Next up is tire pressure. Cold winter temperatures can cause your tires to lose pressure, so be sure to check and adjust as necessary. Proper tire pressure ensures a smooth ride and helps prevent unnecessary wear and tear. Last but not least, it's time for a little engine love. Schedule a service to ensure your engine is in top shape for the adventures ahead. With these steps, your RV will be ready to hit the road as soon as the weather warms up. Summer is all about enjoying your RV, but a little maintenance can go a long way. As the temperature rises, your RV's air conditioning unit becomes your best friend. It's important to check it regularly, ensuring it's functioning properly and the filters are clean. You don't want to be stuck on a sweltering hot day without it. Next on your checklist should be testing the generator. This power source is essential for your summer adventures. Make sure it's in tip-top shape, ready to support all your RV appliances. Lastly, take a good look at your RV's roof and windows. The summer sun can be harsh, potentially causing leaks. Inspect the seals around your windows and the condition of the roof. If you find any cracks or damage, it's time to apply some sealant or consider professional repair. With these precautions, you can enjoy your summer travels without any unexpected surprises. Fall is the time to start preparing your RV for the colder months ahead. As the leaves change color and the air becomes crisp, it's crucial to ensure that your recreational vehicle is ready to brave the winter season. One essential task is to check your RV's heating system. Make sure it's running smoothly and efficiently. Don't wait for the first frost to realize your heater isn't working. Next, take some time to seal any leaks. Cold air has a sneaky way of finding cracks and crevices, so inspect your RV thoroughly. Look for any signs of wear and tear and apply sealant where needed. This will keep your RV warm and cozy, even in the chilliest weather. Last but not least, prepare your plumbing system for winter. Drain all the water and empty the tanks to prevent freezing. Consider using antifreeze designed for RV systems for an extra layer of protection. By taking these steps, you can ensure your RV is ready for the winter season. Winter may seem like a quiet time for your RV, but it's crucial to keep up with maintenance. As temperatures plunge, you'll want to ensure that your RV's water system is winterized. This process involves draining the water lines and adding antifreeze to prevent any freezing or bursting pipes. Next up is pest control. Winter is a prime time for critters to seek shelter, and your RV might be the perfect spot. Look for any signs of infestation, such as droppings or chewed wires, and take steps to deter these unwanted guests. Lastly, consider covering your RV to protect it from the harsh winter elements. A good quality cover can shield your RV from snow, ice, and harsh winds, prolonging its lifespan and keeping it in top shape for your next adventure. By following this winter maintenance checklist, you can rest easy knowing your RV is protected from the harsh winter weather. Maintaining your RV for all seasons may seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. Remember, spring is for inspecting and cleaning, summer is for checking systems and appliances, fall is for taking care of the exterior, and winter is for winterizing your RV. But there is more to your RV's peace of mind than just seasonal maintenance. An extended warranty from no repair cost can significantly add to that peace. This warranty is your safeguard against unexpected repair costs, that your budget is not thrown off track by sudden expenses. These are just chores and warranties. They're your ticket to an adventure. Regular maintenance, coupled with an extended warranty, not only ensures that RV stays in top shape year-round, but also enhances the resale of your RV, adding to your long-term returns. Remember, a well-maintained RV is a happy RV, and an RV with a warranty is an even happier one. Enjoy the benefits of no repair costs extended warranty and have happy worry-free travels.